When starting the crypto journey, this is usually the step that people take. First, it's to buy Bitcoin, and then to make sure that you hold it until you can sell it at a higher price. This is a simple investment strategy that comes from the normal financial world. Basically, buying when the prices are low and then selling when the prices are high. Now, in this particular video, what I want to actually answer as a question is, so what do you do in the meantime? What do you do as you're waiting for your crypto value to go up in dollars or in shillings? This is what this video is all about. And the strategy I want to show you is simple. It's called Binance Earn. This is the way it works. When you have bought your Bitcoin on spot or on P2P, you transfer it first to your spot wallet. The next thing to do then is to set up your Binance Earn to automatically be picking any crypto that is in your spot wallet to the Earn wallet. This is a place where you can be able to earn anything from 1%, sometimes to even 50, 60, 100%. It depends with the way things are. So I want to take you through the whole process from start to finish so that you'll never say, I never taught you anything. Let's get those credits rolling. The first place we start is downloading the Binance app. Check the first link in the description below to get the Binance app. With this, you will also get some welcome bonuses. Say thanks, Momo, for all that. Next thing that we want to do is make sure that we have verified our account. The next thing I want us to do now, this is one of the ways, is to go under P2P trading, where we will actually be able to buy our stablecoin. This is the first place we actually do it. So go under P2P trading, and under P2P trading, you will see the different people who are selling on this particular site, and you can be able to use whichever payment method you want, and you can buy either USDT or BUSD depending on what is more affordable for your payment method. In my case, I usually prefer MPESA, so I'll click on confirm, and the best rate is currently at 133, so we can be able to buy from this particular person. What I want us to do is to buy around $10 to $20 worth of USDT, then we can go to the next steps. It will show me the best advert for that particular price for my payment method. This is a way that I prefer that you do it, so that you do not waste a lot of time looking through the adverts that are there. In my case, I am able to see this first person can sell to me at 133.59. They have done a number of trades in the last 30 days. Their completion rate is really good, and they have a little left, so that's what I'll actually check to buy from them. In doing this, I'll click on buy. I'll go here, just click on all. This is $30, and then I'll click on buy USDT. So I'm picking the whole stock, that's about $29. Then in my case, I'll be able to now come here and make payment. What it will actually show me is their phone number, which I'll go now to my mobile money wallet or my bank wallet and send that money to them. At the very top, you'll see the time that you have to send this amount. So that's paying the seller within this particular time. It's very straightforward. So I'll click on make payment and do the payment. And now I await for them to release. This takes a very short time, and you can be able to see at the very top, it tells you the average time that they have taken. So 95% of this seller's orders have been completed within 8 minutes. That's not a long time. And the amount that I have paid in fiat, which is 3,995, price that I bought it at, and the crypto amount I have bought. So this is already done. And then if you want, which I also recommend, you can go into the chart and put in the transaction that you have just done. You can put it here. The chart is updated with the activities that you've done. So you can actually pick your MPESA message or your bank message and put it here as proof of payment. But they will also see on their end, and they'll get a notification that you have completed payment, and you can see that in the chat right now, your payment has been received. The asset USDT will be sent to your account. I also get a text message as well telling me that the order has been completed, and I want to show you where that money is. So we'll go back and now go under wallets, and P2P is under funding wallet. This is where I'll actually go, and we can see the amount is actually there. So the first step after making this purchase is we will transfer our stable coin to our spot wallet. Here I'll go and say I want USDT to be transferred from funding to spot, and I'll click on maximum so that it transfers the whole amount. Click on confirm transfer, and transfer is successful. So we'll go back, and now the amount is now in our spot wallet. Now once this stable coin is in our spot wallet, the next thing we need to do is to buy the crypto that we want, because buying the stable coin is our first step. It is not the final step. The final step is we are taking this money to the Earn wallet. So the next thing we'll actually do here under USDT, we now want to make a purchase of the crypto that we want. In my case, I want to buy Bitcoin. You can be able to buy whichever crypto that you want. So what we'll do here, at the bottom, click on trade. Once you've clicked on trade, at the top you'll be able to see convert, spot, margin, fiat, P2P, and auto invest. So currently we are on spot, and at the top here it will tell you which crypto you are trading on stroke the stable coin. So in my case it shows AMP stroke USDT. That's what I'll click on, and then it will bring me the rest of the markets. So in my case, I'll just come here under search and search for Bitcoin, which is BTC, and I'll click on BTC, and at the current rate it is at 22,304, around there. So at this moment I want to make a purchase of 10 USDT so that I'll show you another crypto and how to be able to do it. So in my case, let's say 10.1, and then it's at market price. So for you it may show limit here. So there's a difference between limit and market price. Limit means you buy at a specific price that you set. Market means that you buy at the current market price. For me, I usually do at market price so that you finish the transaction as quickly as possible. So I'll click on buy BTC, and you'll actually see order created, order filled. That's exactly it. The next one we'll do under limit so that I show you how that works. If we want to make a purchase of a different cryptocurrency, I'll go at the top here and I'll check for whichever cryptocurrency I want. So go click on USDT, and then you can be able to pick whichever cryptocurrency you want. Whichever it is, you can be able to do. So as an example here, I'll pick ICP. This is not financial advice. This is just an example. So once I click on ICP, I can see the current price that it is at, 5.387. Now, if I want to buy it at a specific price, which is called a limit order, I'll click on limit here, and then I'll state the amount that I want to buy it at. Currently, the price is at 5.387, but I can say I want to buy it at 5.382, and I want to spend 10 USDT, and then I'll click on buy ICP. Okay, here I'll get 2.8 ICP and spend 15 USDT. Click on confirm. I've been able to place in an order. So what will happen in this case is, right now the price is at 5.388, but mine is at 5.382. So I'll click on the market here so that you can be able to see 5.382, and there's an arrow next to it. This actually means that my order is actually there. It's part of the orders that are here. The total orders at 5.382 currently is 651.16. These are different people on the Binance site who are making this purchase, and my 2.8 is in there. And all I just need to do is wait a few minutes or a few hours, depending on the way the market is moving, and my order will be filled. So once it is filled, the next thing you will see is under wallets, you will now be able to go under spot, and you can see the BTC that we just bought right now is actually here. The 20 USDT that we had remaining, part of it is under order, and it shows here unavailable. 5 is what is available. It's unavailable because there's a trade that is waiting for it. So the next thing that we now need to do is place it under earn, so that the amount of Bitcoin that we are getting will keep on increasing. Once we place it under earn, go under Binance Earn, and you'll be able to see the layout here. I have some already that is set, but now I go under earn, and this has been changed a bit because it used to be separated. So now it's just simple earn. So I'll click on simple earn at the top here where it says hot. This tells you the token count is protected. So what you're putting in is principal protected. So at the top here, I'll search for BTC because that is one of the ones that we've done. So I'll search for it, and then it actually shows me flexible. So this is the one that we want. You can be able to deposit and remove at any time. So I'll click on subscribe. Once I've clicked on subscribe here, you'll be able to see the subscription amount here. We have 0.00045 BTC, and the minimum is 0.001 BTC. So I'll need to just add a little more. But what is most important here, which you need to actually toggle on, for many of you it will not be toggled on, but you need to do that, is auto subscribe. So what that does is, whenever now from setting this, whenever you come in and you have bought your BTC or whichever other crypto is in your spot wallet, it will automatically be picked from the spot wallet to come now into the earn wallet. So you need to do this for all the cryptos in your spot wallet account, so that twice a day, and here for BTC it's 2 and 4 p.m. UTC plus 0, it will take to subscribe. And then the current amount shows what is already in the earn wallet, and the real-time APR that I am getting is at 0.9%. And then there's a bonus tiered APR and estimated daily rewards. This is small number of Satoshis because of the amount currently here. But now I'm on tier 1, which is 0 to 0.01 BTC. I can actually build this up, and then with time, you'll actually be able to see under tier 1, this bonus tiered APR are accrued the day after subscription. I'll start receiving the reward distributions in my spot wallet. So what this essentially means is every single day, and for this I think it's around 1 p.m, there is an amount that you've earned the previous day that is now shared into your spot wallet. Small number of Satoshis, small number of your crypto is shared there. And then what happens is twice in a day, the app actually comes to check if you have any of the crypto in the spot wallet and now brings it in to the earn wallet. This way, you're able to increase the amount of money that you have. It's that simple. You are able to just put your money on the side. It will still appreciate in value as the market is going up. It is protected while in simple earn, and you're earning some simple nice money instead of keeping it in another bank where you would not be earning any single amount. Now in the next video, I want you to see how you can start a P2P trading business. This is something that I've done before, and this video explains to you how to be able to set that up. I'll see you in the next one.